guys.
Yeah, I'm so glad we are doing another video. So we're probably going to be doing more videos just because it's Christmas.
Yeah. And we are playing,
one sec, let's just see what the game is called. Be right back. So this is the game we're playing. SLEIGHS Snowman Simulator. Okay, so let's get on with the video.
I'm going to just fight a snowman.
This is my snowman. Yeah, I'm not climbing up there like I climbed up there before. Yeah, there is a yellow candy cane. And yes, my bro is doing a video on our other channel, Random Masters Gaming. Yeah, not sure why. Yeah. Yeah, so go and subscribe to that. Probably the link will be in the description. It doesn't have many subscribers, so if the link's not in the description, it's probably because we can't find the link.
Why can't I
find the channel.
I don't care, I'm not wasting my snow.
So yeah. I can't wait for Christmas.
Yeah,
There's only a few days now, and I'm so excited. What have you asked for Christmas?
Leave in the comments down below. And yeah.
I've asked for chocolate.
No, like if you want us to do this video again.
What do you mean this video? What? This? Oh yeah, 30 rebirths. Yes. Do you mean do another one of playing this game?
Yeah.
Not this video.
On Christmas Day. Leave the comments as well. Or you might just win. And maybe if we do a video on Christmas, maybe you can tell us what you got for Christmas.
Well, we might not be able to post it on Christmas Day.
Yeah.
But
probably gonna be too busy. Maybe.
Yeah, to collect the snow. Collect all that snow. Snow. Go back. Go back.
And I haven't even done it. So
yeah.
And you can't even see it.
I have a sleigh, but
Getting bigger.
Yeah. Get out of my sleigh. I'm stuck in here now.
I'm gonna buy another pen.
Okay, let's just teleport home. I like the way you can teleport home and stuff to teleport to places, and you don't need to pay Robux for it.
One thing, I think they should when you teleport, just that sound. They should have snowflakes going around.
That's not essential.
Make it look magical. No.
I should really go and get a pet.
Common. Evil elf.
Evil elf, I've got 2 of them. What do I have? Yeah, I have 2 of evil elves. Evil elf! Hey!
I got pets to take out.
I'm gonna get a pet after I have made this snowman. I think. Yeah. We have 30 rebirths. Wait. Okay. Forget this. Okay, I just want to get up here. Why? Okay, let's get this candy cane. Yum, yum, yum. We have many candy canes on the Christmas tree. Okay. Why do I die? What do I have to do? Okay. What am I doing with my life?
I think there's
no
point of the sleigh.
Well, I've bought both of them.
Can I tell you why, guys? Because you already got the teleporting. So what's really the point?
Hey, I like the sleighs. They're kind of cool.
Yeah, people go, oh, you want
Okay, why can't I make that jump?
Yeah, yellow.
Okay. Okay, that time I didn't even
not
do.
for me because I got loads of them now.
Hey, you've
But
only
they
got
give
like.
you 51 canteen and that gives you 50. But now each time I get one canteen, I get 126.
Oh, I get like, I don't know, 377.
And then the red one means 1, and then the green is 10.
And the yellow one is 50. Okay, I'm fed up with it. Let's not do that.
I always just make paths away from the canteen and the shop, the Santa shop. Hey, get out of mine.
Hey, is this yours?
Look, that's yours. I was like, get out of mine. Get out. I won't in yours anyway. So I don't really mind.
Wait, were you saying for me to get out of my own then?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Look weird in that back. Looks like
Snow, collecting the snow.
Make a little
Hi, pets.
I didn't realize my backpack was upgraded.
Yeah, well, how big's
The
yours?
backpack for automatically upgraded.
Yeah, when you get a pet. Lloyd, what backpack have you got? Like, how big is it?
4,200.
Oh, mine's 9,650. Okay.
I'm gonna do the obby thing.
Okay, Max. Now I'm gonna go get a pet. Okay, that was a lot of gold. Okay, let's go and get a pet. Pet. I want a pet. Pet! I need you. I have enough for this one, don't I? Yes, I do. Whoa, I've already got this one. Oh well. Okay. Cool. So, no.
And it's 25 in one hit.
Okay. Now which one should I take off? Wait, how much is this unicorn?
I'm gonna kill some more.
This one's better. Sorry, poor
I got yellow one. I got yellow.
Is it this one?
So, I don't really care about the
Take out.
They barely give you anything.
And now,
I can hit the 150s in one hit.
okay.
Die.
It's like the Loch Ness Monster. Okay, put back this. Take out. Yeah. Good. Okay. You must be in snow. I am in snow. No. I'm not in snow. Have we been lied to all our lives? Maybe we have. Okay.
I feel like red's the best.
I'm so glad we're uploading again.
No, they updated it just today. And we went on here earlier. Look.
What?
I think they did. Or is this in the wrong space? I think we're down. Yeah, probably down.
This is so...
I don't know why.
Where's my home? Here.
I'm gonna do one of these.
Well, guys, we're gonna have to wrap it up here. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. But before you go, remember subscribe button. It's the feel subscribe button. So the subscribe button has no feelings, and that means you can hit the subscribe button, punch it, kick it, do whatever to your subscribe button. It has no feelings, so you can really do anything to it because it really doesn't care. Oh yeah, and turn on those notifications.
So that you never miss a video.
Yeah. Bye!
I guess that 5 goes, so see you in the next video.
Bye!